Look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In the hierarchy of U.S. tax authority, Treasury regulations are best described as what? Now, if you're taking this question on Farhat Lectures and you kind of forgot what Treasury regulation is, you could just click on explain the topic and farhat.ai will explain the topic. And hopefully it will jog your memory. Otherwise, you are ready to answer the question. A, advisory guidance with no binding effect. I hope you know the Treasury regulation, they work more than just guidance. Advisory. They're not advisory guidance. Treasury is the main department for revenue for the US government. I don't think they're going to give you advisory guidance. They're going to be more strict. I would say A from the language is out. Equal authority to IRS publication. IRS publication are not very authoritative. They're helpful in understanding education. As I told you, I use them. I use IRS publication to write my lessons because they're simple. They're not the law itself, but they're interpretation of the law. They're not an equal authority. If anything, Treasury regulation is higher than IRS publication. B is out. Treasury regulation represent the highest level of administrative authority. Is that correct? And the answer is yes. When it comes to administrative authority, they represent the highest level, indeed. But let's look at D to eliminate D for sure. They are superior to the Internal Revenue Code. I know they're not. Hold on a second. How can you say they're the highest and they're not superior to something else? You have to differentiate what the code is. The code is the law itself. The law itself is written by Congress. It's written by the legislative power. That's separate. That's the highest of all. But the Treasury regulation are the highest for administrative authority. Remember, we have administrative authority, we have legislative authority, we have a judicial authority, and Treasury regulations are the highest. You guessed it, administrative authority, the IRS, the Internal Revenue Code, not the IRS. The IRS is part of the Treasury. The IRC, the Internal Revenue Code, is the legislative, and it's the highest. It's the law itself. Now, if you don't like my answer choices, you could ask the AI to explain the correct and incorrect answer. And if you're interested in another MCQ, just ask the AI to issue you another MCQ. What should you do now? Go to Farhat Lectures, look at lessons, podcast, resources, flashcards, whatever you need to learn the material better. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment you can make, whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, or a student. Good luck, stay safe, and God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.